Wow. Balik muna sa ginamos. For the last few days, we were extremely busy. You know, as you can see, we're preparing the boat for the beginning of the summer, because when summer comes, the owner, the boss, will use the boat. So yeah, we've been busy. We've been doing a lot of things, trying to finish up everything before we get the boat into the detailing phase. But extremely busy. So this is what we've been doing behind the scene. So right now we're on preparation mode. Oh, thank God, we've pretty much done most of the dirty work. So we're on the phase of just cleaning up. We've been scrubbing decks, polishing, a lot of detailing works. You know, a lot of very much detailing works now, because so it's been a while since we have the boss on board. So we're gonna have to make sure everything will be spotless, you know. So yeah, so what we've been doing, we actually scrubbed this deck. But the problem with this deck right here, this is original deck from since it was launched. So it was a different system when they install the deck. So they use screws. Actually they stick the tape on top of the aluminum deck, and then they stick it with screws. So what happened is, every time we scrub this deck, we always end up like scrubbing down to the screws, and then a lot of the wood plugs come off. So I end up redoing lots of wooden plugs. So what I did, I left the screw out and then re-drilled the old plugs, and then put a slightly bigger wood plug. So it's nice. It's been done. You can see all the spots right here, but it's quite a back-breaking kind of job, but it's very satisfying. So actually this deck, the main deck, is the only original thick decking that's left on the boat now. So yeah, and even I don't know if you've been following on the last few videos of mine. We've been doing some painting, repairing videos, but we've already top coated everything here. So this is what we've done for the last couple of weeks. Because the thing is, I didn't manage to do a very detailed video about the top coat here, because we were trying to finish as much as we can. So because somehow when we were painting, when we were doing some painting, we discovered such a big blister that really needs attention. So I was kind of like hesitant to actually do it. So this is the area here. There's a very big blister here. We end up opening. So the time when we were working here, we were repairing all the blisters on the window frames. We found a very big blister on this part here that it was very noticeable. So I was planning to do it later on during the summer, but because the blister was so obvious, so I end up actually chipping it. So the problem was, it wasn't part of our actually plan to do it. So it adds up into our work list. And then there was a lot of things we've done, but we managed. We end up doing some varnishing down on the guest cabin down below, because the captain discovered some very deep dings and damages on the floor there. So that's another thing that we have to do. So that's why I end up not making a video about the detail of the top coat on the project on on the window frames because I'm just trying to push as much as I can to finish everything on the list. And then we end up having that varnishing on the floor there on the guest accommodation. So I was on such pressure, and I end up like thinking, oh man, when we did the big blister that I was thinking, at one stage I was like, I think a bit more than I can chew here, because plus the weather the last few days, it was so shitty. It was windy, and it's quite cold. That's one of the problem, because it was a bit. I got sick. I actually got sick as well, so I didn't work for a couple of days. That's one of the problem as well, because everyone got sick actually, because heat. Sometimes like now it's very hot, but during the evening it's quite cold. So, but anyway, we manage. Yeah, boat like this, every little details matter, man. It's that's what things about this yachting like this. It's all about details and things. Yeah, this is what we've been doing for the last few days. They've been weeks, you know. But I'm happy the boat is looking good now, looking like $1 million now. So it's nice and shiny, everything. And yeah, and Purcell right here, he's working. He's working on weekends, and he's not even feeling well, but he's detailing all these little things here. But you know, Purcell has to work, because he's no work, no pay, is it thing? So yeah, it's part of the job. So he enjoys it as well, you know. He get paid well. So all right.